Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to go through 100 Azure AI Fundamentals question and answers. These 100 questions are taken out from these different topics which is going to be assessed in this exam. You can go and download both the study guide, which will include detailed explanation about each question and the answer, or the PowerPoint pack what I'm using, which include question, answer, and the reference link for additional references. I hope the information provided in this video is helpful for you. Take care. Let's look at question number one. Imagine you have a photograph displaying the front of a store. Which AI technique would you use to extract the store's name from the image? So we have four options here: image classification, natural language processing or NLP, optical character recognition or OCR, or semantic segmentation. Which one do you think is the right answer? If you're just following me along and if you want to guess the answer yourself, you can pause the video and guess the answer. So I'm going to reveal the answer right now. First, the short answer and then the explanation. First, the correct answer is optical character recognition or OCR. So first, let's understand what is OCR. Optical character recognition is known as OCR. It is a technology that allows computers to recognize and interpret text from images. This could be either text from a image, or it could be from a scanned document, or it could be from a photograph as well. Essentially, OCR converts different types of documents such as paper files, PDFs, or images captured by a camera into editable and searchable data. So, what are some of the benefits of OCR? OCR helps with increased efficiency and productivity by eliminating the need for manual data entry, allowing organization to process documents quickly and accurately. It can help you improve accessibility as well. Digitalized text can be easily searched, accessed, and shared, making information more available to many users. Some of the use cases of OCR include you could automate the processing forms and contracts and legal documents from government and legal organization. Or if you look at healthcare, you can digitalize patient records and prescription for better management and retrieval. So let's look at one of the real world example. Mobile apps like Google Lens uses OCR to recognize text from images taken by users. For example, users can take a picture of a sign and the app will automatically convert the text into a searchable form, providing translations or other information. If you want to know more about OCR or anything, I have provided this reference link at the bottom of each PowerPoint slide. So after reading this, you can click on this. It takes you directly to a place where you can actually learn more about OCR and how it is applicable. Second, I have this documentation available for you to download along with this PowerPoint presentation what I'm using. In this, you can skip between these questions. We have 100 questions here. And when you go through a question, it tells you what is the answer, a short explanation, and an elaborate explanation if you want to study more on what that topic is, things like that. Question number two. Imagine you have a photograph of a person and need to determine their age. Which computer vision technology would you use to analyze and identify the age from the image? We have four options here. You can pause the video and guess the answer. The correct answer is facial detection. So, what is facial detection? Facial detection is a technology that identifies and locates human faces in images or videos. It uses computer algorithms to detect the features of a face, such as the eyes, nose, and mouth. And it can analyze these features to determine various attributes, including age, gender, and emotional expression. So, what are the benefits of facial detection? Facial detection can improve security systems by identifying and tracking individuals in real time. This can be used for security and surveillance. Another use case could be businesses can use facial detection to offer personalized experiences to customers. For example, retail stores can recognize returning customers and offer tailored recommendation based on previous purchases. And one other use case is for airport security. So airports around the world, such as those in Dubai and Beijing, uses these facial detection for passenger identification and to expedite the boarding process. Question number 3. Consider that you are using AI vision to categorize images. Which specialized domain modes does the service offer for identifying specific subject in those images? So here I am looking at two correct answers from you from the available options. So we have these five options. You need to pick the right two answers. The correct answers are celebrities and landmarks. When categorizing an image, the Azure AI Vision service supports two specialized domain models, celebrities and landmarks. So, what is this Azure AI Vision? Azure AI Vision is a cloud based service by Microsoft that offers powerful image processing capabilities. It uses advanced machine learning models to understand and analyze images, making it easier for businesses and developers to integrate image recognition and analysis into their applications. One of the real world examples for Azure Vision include farmers use Azure AI Vision to monitor livestock. Object detection track the movement and health of animals, alerting farmers to potential issues like illness or injury, ensuring animal welfare and timely intervention. Let's look at question number 4. Imagine you are a farmer who wants to ensure the safety and welfare of your livestock. Which technological process would you use to track the movement and health of your animals? Let's look at these options. We have seen this example use case in the previous question where I talked about how you can use Azure AI Vision to use this particular example. So in this particular question, it is asking which technological process would you use? The correct answer is tracking livestock in a field. Object detection is a technological process that enables computers to identify and locate objects within an image or a video. It involves analyzing visual data to determine the presence and position of various items. In this example, a farmer can use it to identify the position of the cattle. This technology uses machine learning and computer vision algorithm to recognize patterns and features, allowing it to make accurate identifications. These identification can be done not only on animals, it can be done on people, vehicles, or everyday objects. So we have seen an example about AI vision using this particular scenario, like farmer who want to ensure the health of the livestock. In this, I want to show you one other use case for this object detection. One common use case is autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles rely on object detection to navigate safely by identifying other vehicles, pedestrians, traffic signs, and obstacles. This technology helps self driving cars make informed decisions and avoiding accidents. Question number 5. Imagine you are using computer vision software and need to associate an image with metadata that summarizes its attributes. Which feature of the software would you use to achieve this? We have four options here. Let's pause it and see if you can guess the answer. The correct answer is tagging. So, what is tagging? Tagging is the process of associating an image, video, or piece of the content with metadata that summarizes its attributes. This metadata, often referred to as tags, and can include keywords, descriptions, categories, or any other relevant information. This tags helps in organizing, searching, and retrieving content efficiently. So, some of the benefits of tagging include enhanced searchability, improved organization, better user experience, and it will give you data analysis. Part of the use case of tagging is platforms like Instagram and Twitter uses hashtag, a form of tagging, to categorize posts and make them searchable by topic. Question number 6. Imagine you are using Azure AI Vision to develop a computer vision application. Identify which three parts of the machine learning process are entirely handled by Azure AI Vision, thus eliminating the need for your direct involvement. Choose all that apply. So we are looking for correct answers in this question. So go through the all available 5 options and see if you can come up with the right answer. The correct answers are choosing a model, evaluating a model, and training a model. So we already looked into what Azure AI Vision is. So let me give you a refresher. Azure AI Vision is a powerful tool that streamlines the machine learning process for computer vision application. It can automate the selection, training, and evaluation of models, allowing you to focus on other aspects of development without delving into the complexities of machine learning. So let's look into these answers one by one. So, what do you mean by choosing a model? Azure AI Vision provides pre trained models, eliminating the need for you to choose the right model for your application. Second is, what is it mean by training a model? The pre-trained models have already undergone extensive training. So you don't need to invest time and resources into training them yourself. And finally, what is evaluating a model mean? Azure AI Vision evaluates the model to ensure they meet performance standards, saving you from the task of model assessment. So some of the benefits of using this Azure AI Vision is like time saving, cost efficiency, and ease of use. Question number 7. Imagine you are using the Azure AI Vision service to describe an image. Which additional piece of information is included with each descriptive phrase returned by the service? So let's look at the available options. The correct answer is confidence score. So first let's understand what is this confidence score in Azure AI Vision. The confidence score in Azure AI Vision is a numerical value that indicates how certain the AI system is about the accuracy of the descriptive phrase it generates for an image. This score helps users understand how reliable the AI description is. Some of the benefits of confidence score include accuracy assessment, decision making, and improvement insights. Let's look at a use case of a confidence score. First is image search. Confidence score helps improve search results by showing users the relevance of the image description. So, in a real world example, an e commerce website uses Azure AI Vision to describe the product images. The confidence score tells the site administrators how reliable the AI descriptions are, ensuring customers receive the accurate information about products. By understanding and utilizing the confidence score in Azure AI Vision, organizations can make more informed decisions, improve accuracy in various applications, and enhance overall user experience. Whether it is for security, e commerce, or healthcare, the confidence score plays a crucial role in ensuring the reliability and effectiveness of AI powered image analysis. Question number 8. Imagine you need to extract information from both international passports and sales account documents using the Azure AI Document Intelligence Service. So that's a new service we are exposing into. Which two pre-built model would you use to accomplish this task? So I'm expecting two correct answers from you in this question. So let's go through the available options. We have 5 options. The correct answers are ID document model and invoice model. First, let's understand what is Azure AI Document Service. Azure AI Document Service is a powerful tool that helps businesses automate the extraction of key information from various types of documents. This service can recognize text, tables, and key value pairs in documents, making it easier to process and analyze information quickly. Some of the benefits of this Azure AI document service include time saving, accuracy, scalability, etc. So let's look at one of the use case. In a financial services, automating the extraction of data from invoices, receipts, and financial statements can improve their overall efficiency. And this Azure AI Document Intelligence Service offers some pre-trained model to do specific types of task for the document. So a couple of things what we have seen is ID document model. So what is this ID document model means? This particular model is optimized to analyze and extract key information from US driver's license and international passport biological pages. Second, we looked at invoice model specifically for the sales account documents mentioned here. So what is that model? Invoice model extracts key information from sales invoices and it's suitable for extracting information from sales account documents. Question number 9. Consider a scenario where you need to identify models that can extract specific data fields from document. Which two Azure AI document intelligence models would you use for this particular task? So we are going to look at what are the two different models which we can help identify and extract specific data fields from document. We had seen couple of example in the previous question. So let's look at the available option and see if we can find one. One is immediately available because I just now explained it in the previous question. So let me populate the correct answer. The correct answers are business card model and invoice model. We explained that invoice model just before. So let me help you understand what is this business card model because that is one which I didn't explain in the previous question. The business card model in the Azure AI Document Intelligence tool is designed to analyze and extract key information from business card images. It can identify and capture common data field like name, email, phone number, company name, and job title, making it easier to digitalize and organize business card information. So some of the benefits include efficiency. You can quickly scan and extract data from multiple business card, saving time. Second is accuracy, reduces the risk of human error in data entry. So let's look at some of the use cases. One is you can apply this in a networking events. Attendees can easily digitalize the business card they collect, ensuring that they have accurate contact information for follow-up. Some of the real world example include you can apply this in the trade show management model. A trade show organizer uses the business card model to scan and digitalize hundreds of business cards collected during the event, ensuring all contacts are accurately stored in their database. We looked into what is invoice model in the previous question. So invoice model is a model which is designed to extract key information from sales invoices. Let's look at question number 10. Imagine you are developing a facial recognition system and need to identify accessories such as glasses and headwear on detected faces. Which feature of the Azure AI face service will help you achieve this? Let's go through this available for option. The correct answer is face attributes. So what is Azure AI face service? Azure AI Face Service is a cloud-based facial recognition service that allows developers to detect, analyze, and recognize human faces in images. It is part of Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services Suite, providing advanced capabilities to build and integrate facial recognition features into applications. Let's look at some of the use cases of Azure AI Face Service. One you can use to access control system to verify identities from a security and authentication point of view, or retailers use to analyze customer demographics and behavior for customer insights, or in the healthcare you can use it to monitor patient emotions and conditions. Now let's look into what is this face attribute feature is. The face attribute feature of Azure AI Face Service allows developers to analyze specific features of the face and its properties. It can detect and identify accessories such as glasses, mask, headwear, etc. One more time. Other attributes include age, gender, facial hair, and emotion.